This is the Shell Phone Show.
Blindshell. Yeah. What's up once again, peoples? This your man Adrian, aka Drizza. Just coming out doing another quick demo for the Shell Phone Show. Now, this particular demonstration, I'm going to be showing how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to the Blindshell Classic3. Once again, everything I show here can be applied to the Classic 2 as well. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. So the speaker I'm going to be showing this time is called the JBL Go 4. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to go ahead and describe the speaker for you real quick. The size of the speaker is 3.7 inches by 3 inches. It weighs about less than 1 ounce. The color of the speaker is all black, but it does come in multiple colors. The shape of the speaker is square. I probably compare it to the size of like an Echo Dot Generation 2. At the top right corner of the speaker, there's a thick loop that's attached to it. So you can connect this to like a lanyard or a strap on a purse or a book bag. Now the feel of the speaker, it feels rugged. It has 4 rubber feet on the bottom. So when you set it on your desk or table or surface, it won't slide around. On the top surface, it has the JBL logo. The letters are actually popped up a little bit to where you can feel them. Now when you have the speaker sitting on the desk, at the top, going from left to right, or your volume controls, you have the minus button, your play pause button, and the plus button. The minus button turns down your volume. The plus button turns up your volume. On the bottom right-hand side, you have a USB-C jack. That's where you plug your USB-C cable to be able to charge it. You get up to 7 hours of listening. On the left-hand side, you have 3 buttons going from top down. You have your power button, your Bluetooth pairing button, and the third button is called the Auracast button. With this Auracast button, you're actually able to pair another JBL speaker to this, so you can actually have 2 speakers connected to have like a party mode or stereo effect type mode. The speaker is also water and dust proof. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how we compare this to the Blindshell. I got my Classic 3 in front of me. I'm going to press the notification button. That's the button above the OK button.
No notifications. 1 of 6.
And I'm going to either down bar or I can press the number 4 on the keypad to go to the Bluetooth settings.
Bluetooth disabled. 4 of 6.
Okay, I'm going to press OK on that. It says disabled.
Turn on Bluetooth. 1 of 1.
It's going to ask me to turn on Bluetooth. I'm going to press OK.
Bluetooth turned on.
So now I have my Bluetooth turned on. Now I'm going to press my down arrow button once.
Scan for devices. 2 of 3.
And I'm looking for scan for devices. Now before I press OK on that, I'm going to come over to the JBL speaker. And I'm going to press and hold the power button to turn it on. And when you turn it on, it'll make a sound. So that was the sound of it coming on. So now I'm going to press the Bluetooth pairing button. That's the second button from top down on the JBL speaker. And now it's making this little guitar beep sound. So now I'm going to come back to my Blindshell.
Scan for devices. 2 of 3.
I'm going to press OK on scan for devices.
Scanning.
Now it's scanning. Should take about 10 to 20 seconds.
JBL Go 4. Audio device. 1 of 3.
Okay, there you go right there. JBL Go 4. I'm going to press OK on that.
Pairing.
Now it's saying pairing.
Scan for devices. 2 of 3.
And there you go. Now it's paired. So now I can turn up the volume using my volume buttons on the Blindshell on the left side of the phone.
Volume 6. Volume 7. Volume 8. Volume 9. Volume 10.
It goes up to 10. Then I can turn it down using down bar.
8. Volume 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2.
And it goes all the way down to the 0.
Volume 8.
So I'm going to turn this back up to volume 8. So now this is all paired. I'm going to get out of this. Okay, let me go through the menu so y'all can hear a little bit of this.
1 of 8. Messages. 2 of 8. Contacts. 3 of 8. Tandem. 4 of 8. Applications. 5 of 8.
So that's the main menu. I'm going to back out of that.
Battery state. 85%.
I'm going to pull up the podcast player. Let's go to my favorites.
Podcast player. 10 of 19.
Let's go to my history.
Digital Bytes. Smart washer dryer accessibility. iPhone action button and Safari address bar tips.
Let's play that.
9:07 a.m. Loading.
Take you on an adventure, and we're going to talk about smart washer and dryer setups. Recently, we acquired a washer and dryer where the model number will be in the show notes for this episode. So head on over to unmute.show if you're specifically interested in the model we got. These are front-loading washer and dryers, which means you have to open them from the front. One of the nice things about this washer dryer set is it allows you the ability to control it from an app.
Stop.
Okay, that's playing a podcast from Digital Bytes. I'm going back out of this. Next, I'm going to pull up the internet radio. Internet radio.
Opening internet radio. Resume playback. 1 of 8.
Let's go to resume playback. Press OK on that.
Smooth R&B 105.7. 1 of 10. Playing. 1000 hits 80s. 2 of 10.
Now more than ever, Lowe's knows you don't just want to.
Playing. .977 today's hits. 4 of 10.
Okay, that's the internet radio. Let's pull up one more thing. Let's go to YouTube. YouTube.
Opening YouTube. Search. History. Blindshell Classic3, the best accessible phone, just got better. Resume playback. 1 of 9.
Let's play that.
Loading.
Let's jump into talking about the Classic 3. First things first, we have 2 brand new colors. We have Golden Sand and Ocean Blue.
Resume playback. 1 of 9.
So that's playing from YouTube right there through the JBL speaker. And once again, I can adjust the volume either using the side buttons on the phone, and I can also adjust the volume using the plus and minus buttons on the speaker itself. Okay, let me back out of this. Now, there's one more thing we can actually use to go along with this portable speaker. There's an app called the JBL Portable app, and you can actually download that from the Aurora store. Now, I got mine saved to my favorites, so I'm going to press the side button.
JBL Portable. 9 of 19.
So I'm going to press OK on this JBL Portable app.
Portable.
It's loading up.
My products.
Say my products. All right, I'm going to up bar to the top of the screen.
First item.
Now I'm just going down bar through these settings for you to hear.
JBL Go 4. Value 100 of 100.
This setting right here, value 100 of 100, this is the battery status of your speaker. So you ever see this number goes down to like 75% or 60, you hear this number get lower, this is where you go where you can check the status of it, and you can go back and just charge it. I'm going down bar.
100%. Equalizer. JBL. Signature. 1 of 5. Chill. 2 of 5. Playtime boost. Boost up sound and prolong. Enlabeled button. Enlabeled button. Stereo group. Connect 2 speakers to stream stereo channel.
You can connect 2 JBL speakers to get you a stereo effect if you want to do that. I'm going to arrow back up.
Enlabeled button. Playtime boost. Boost up sound and prolong playtime.
Here goes this setting called Playtime Boost. If you go into this setting, remember I told you earlier you get 7 hours of listening power on this speaker? But if you go into this Playtime Boost, I'm going to go into this. I'm going to press down bar.
Enlabeled button.
And I'm just going to press OK on this unlabeled button.
Louder music with longer playtime.
I'm going inside this menu. I'm going to press down bar.
Will boost up the volume of your music but consume less battery. Under this mode, EQ is disabled.
Now it says under this mode, EQ is disabled, but it'll boost up the volume without bass, making whatever you listen to play a little bit louder. And when you have this turned on, I'm going to press my down bar one more time.
Got it.
There's a got it button. I'm going to press OK on that. So what this setting really does is once you have this turned on, it'll give you another extra 2 hours of battery life. So instead of you having 7 hours, you'll have a total of 9 hours when you got this playtime boost turned on. So I'm going back all the way out of this to get out of this app. So that's the JBL Portable app. Those other preset settings like the JBL equalizer, the chill setting, I don't really touch those. I can't really hear much difference when I try to toggle them on and off. So that's pretty much it about this JBL Go 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. This truly is a portable speaker. If you want something that's simple to pair to your Blindshell, this is another recommendation as well. Like I said, my other demo I did showing the Tripper Stormbox Pro, the size of that is probably like size of a liter of milk. But this JBL Go 4, it truly is the size of like an Echo Dot Generation 2 if you want to compare sizes. So y'all can check this out at any vendor out there. I know Amazon has it. You can search it on InnoSearch as usual. Any questions? just hit me up at Drizza17 at att.net. That's DRIZA17 at att.net. Peace. This has been the Shell Phone Show, where you can learn everything about the Blindshell Classic series of phones.
Thanks for listening. Blindshell.